It's 6 days till you start the 2B Mindset, and I'm so happy that you got the 2B Mindset Challenge Pack because you're going to get everything you need to get started right away so you can lose your weight happily and keep it off. So let me walk you through what you're getting inside your box. First, the Getting Started Guide. This is basically where you want to get started. It's going to walk you through how to just set yourself up so you can start right away. Then there's my go-to guide. This is awesome. It's a companion to go with the videos, but I want you to watch all the videos first, and then you'll have this my go-to guide to bring with you on the go. Really, really helpful when you're in the grocery store, and then to keep just in your car, in your purse, wherever you are, because it's a nice recap of all those videos. The recipe book, the most delicious, satisfying recipes in here. And the tracker. My tracker you're going to want to use every single day. This is going to make sure that you stay on track so you keep losing your weight successfully and happily. And the water bottle. This is not like any other water bottle. It is going to be one of your best friends in this program. You're going to realize the more water you drink, the more weight you're going to lose. And it has all these positive catchphrases on the back to keep you more positive in your weight loss. And Shakeology, my favorite. You're going to love Shakeology. So you're going to be so happy that you have Shakeology with you with the 2B Mindset. It's filling, it's satisfying. You'll get their favorite flavor. And it's going to also come with a Shakeology guidebook. So this is going to teach you more about the superfood nutrition shake, and you're going to get a recipe book for some more delicious Shakeology recipes. You're getting such amazing tools here for the 2B Mindset that's going to help you keep losing your weight so you can keep it off.